In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email funnel flow in Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let's dive into what an email funnel flow is. In simple terms, an email funnel is a series of automated emails that guide your customers through a specific journey, whether it's onboarding, re-engagement, or a special promotion. It's a great way to nurture leads and keep your audience engaged. So, let's get started by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard with various options. Your first step is to navigate to the Flows section, which is typically found in the left sidebar. Click on that and you'll be taken to a page that shows all your existing flows, if you have any set up. Next, you're going to create a new flow. Look for the button that says Create Flow, usually located at the top right corner. When you click on it, you'll be given a few options. For our purpose, you can choose Create from Scratch to have full control over the design and functionality of your email funnel. Now, you'll need to give your flow a name. It should be something descriptive to remind you of its perk Welcome Thumb Series or Cart Abandonment. After naming the flow, hit Create Flow and you'll see a blank canvas where we can start building our funnel. At this point, let's start adding a trigger for our flow. This is the action that prompts the funnel to begin. Click on the trigger icon that you'll find in the left sidebar. You'll see options like List Trigger, Metric Trigger, etc. For instance, if you want to set up a welcome series, select Subscribe to List and choose the specific list you're targeting. Click Done to set that as your trigger. Now that your trigger is in place, it's time to add a series of email actions to your flow. Click on the plus sign that appears next to the trigger you just created to add your first email. You can choose Email from the list of options. This is where you'll design your first email. Once you select Email, you'll be directed to a screen where you can either use a pre-built template or create your email from scratch. I recommend starting with a template, especially if you're new to design, as it saves time and effort. Choose a template that resonates with the message you want to convey, then customize it with your branding, copy, and images. After you've finalized your first email, adjust the timing of when you want this email to go out. You can set this up to send immediately after the trigger, or you might want to wait a few days. This timing will significantly affect how well your funnel performs, so consider your audience's behavior. Once you've set up the first email, repeat the process for any additional emails in your funnel. For example, if your goal is onboarding, you might want a follow-up email a few days after the welcome email with tips on how to use your product effectively. Each email can have its unique timing and content. Finally, after you've created all the emails in your funnel, make sure to review everything. Test the flow to ensure that each email triggers at the correct time and that all links work. You can do test sends right within Klaviyo to see how everything looks in action. Once everything looks good to go, don't forget to activate your flow. There will be a button to toggle your flow from draft to live, meaning it's ready to send out to your subscribers. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up an email funnel flow in Klaviyo. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, again, consider subscribing and liking for more tutorials like this. Happy emailing!